Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, and in this video I'll guide you through how to fix overheating problems on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to keep your phone cool and performing well. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and enable notifications. Now let's begin.